Yes, sir. Can you introduce yourself and just tell us about this COVID center that you're running?
Uh, this COVID center has been a great initiation initiated by the Majestic Pride Group, who through the CSR activity, all the directors came, joined together, collaborated and thought for a very great thing of starting a COVID center so that they can help the public. And then they thought about it, and then we got together to set up this COVID center, a stepped up COVID center. So this is a 60 bedded COVID center with all the medical support. So we have even taken all the instruments like NIV, HFNO, monitors, echo machine, X-ray. At the same time, we even hired all the around the clock doctors on duty, and as well as the nurses, and we have had even consultant. There are 4 consultant in the daytime and 1 at the night time, under whom these patients are getting admitted. I am working here as a medical director. My name is Dr. Mihir Chaudhary, and along with the whole team we are trying to help to the people with Majestic Pride Group, who under the CSR activity doing all this thing. We are providing all the facilities free of cost to the people. At the same time, we are doing the RT-PCR testing for our patients. We have taken the ambulance, which we are using within the 20 kilometer of the range, absolutely free of cost, to bring and take the patients. We are doing the CT scan as well as the pathology, because a lot of blood tests are required. So we have collaborated with the pathology to do all those things. So all the things are being done in-house, and this is first of its own kind, where the private people have come forward to help the society, and we are charging to the public absolutely zero money. Along with these medical facility, we are even providing the food to the patients, and whatever help we can do to the attendants also, round the clock on the phone. We are helping in those things also. Every day from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. we are providing a photo video conferencing also for the patient who are at home, that too absolutely free of cost. So we have just um, given a number all across, through which any person can call us, and our one member from the team will talk to them, and then they will take all the reports which they have, and they will put it in the medical organizing committee, and then the medical organizing committee decide ki does this patient requires and what all treatments it requires, and then it happens that way. That's what we are doing.
Yeah. And these patients have been admitted with those who are mild, or what the symptoms?
It's like that. All the patients are entertained absolutely, and then one of our member in the daytime and one in the night time notes down all the details of the patient, and then it gives into the medical organizing committee, and then the medical team decides in which category the patient has to be taken and what treatment it has to be given.
So you have been collaborating with the GMC also for this.
We are open to the GMC, to any public, anybody calling from this number, and government has been a great support to us to organize this whole setup within the range of 10 days. Without their support, it would have never happened. So the patients are coming even from the GMC also, even from anywhere who is calling. We are taking everybody.
Can you say the number?
Number is 750 777 5003. I repeat, 750 777 5003.
So,
Anybody can call on this number, and it will be attended 24 hours, and then you can give all your medical details on it, and then the people and the person will get back to you, and even will provide ambulance also. Thank you.
regarding this beds with oxygen,
Pardon?
with oxygen.
We have already have 170 oxygen cylinder. Our bed is 60 bedded, but we have 169 oxygen cylinder. and we have a team of the people who work only on changing the cylinder, as well as we have a 10 oxygen concentrator also. So we are well equipped and well balanced with the things, and then we have gone ahead with it.
COVID Care Center of Majesty is located.
Pardon?
Where the care center is located?
This center is located at Multi-Purpose Indoor Stadium, Kampal, the Sports Authority of Goa, India. It is at the Miramar next to the Fab India.
How many bed it is?
60 beds.
60.
Yeah.